Here's how to play Geometry Dash on your PC or laptop for free using BlueStacks. Geometry Dash is available on Steam as a paid game, but the free Geometry Dash Lite version is available through the Play Store. BlueStacks lets you run it on your computer without cost. Open your browser, go to BlueStacks.com and click Download. Run the installer, agree to the terms, and wait for BlueStacks to set up and launch. Once inside, search for Geometry Dash in the search bar at the top. You'll see several versions, including the full paid game and the free Lite version. Choose whichever you want. Click Install and wait for it to download. Once installed, launch it from your home screen. The game plays well with a keyboard, the spacebar or mouse click functions as the tap input. No additional key mapping setup is needed since the entire game runs on a single input. A tip: if you are serious about Geometry Dash and plan to play a lot, the Steam version at around $2 is a permanent one-time purchase and includes the full level editor and online community levels that the Lite version does not. It is worth it for the price. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.